what up, MTV Cribs? We got a new place this time. Now we're in Ikebukuro is what the place looks like. We're on the 4th floor, so let's go inside and start talking about it because we think this building is actually completely brand new, right?
Yeah, it smells like it.
Yeah. And we don't actually.
Oh, here's your first thing. Yeah. That thing still has a plastic on it.
Yeah. We're 4th floor, by the way. First things first. This over here. I'm not gonna go all the way in, but there you go.
Got a washer.
Oh, we got a laundry room.
And dryer.
Washer and dryer combination. I don't know what these are. It's probably room for more of them. They haven't even been installed yet. Yeah.
There's probably gonna be some tables here or something like that.
So one day we might come back and try to stay here again
This is
because
a place.
it's not bad.
For 100 and change a night.
Yeah. Almost kind of want to live here.
Pay more for a lot of this.
So anyway, where we're staying is actually on the 4th floor. This place has no elevator, so
Steps
all the way. You got a view, something like that, of the next building. And yeah, I don't think anyone else is here at all.
They're all empty.
They're all empty. We might be the first people actually in, you know,
The building.
the building.
For sure.
For sure, that room, because
Yeah.
I was gonna say a lot of the stuff still had its, you know, labels.
The view's so nice from here.
Yeah. All right, so here we are at the 4th floor.
Yeah.
There's 2 rooms here. There's a stairs to the roof up there. The building next to us goes up quite a bit higher. We got a view like that in the distance, all the way down there.
It's nice.
And this is it, 402. Actually, did I leave this locked? Yep, I did.
That's it. Follow the bright light. Takes you home.
Takes you home. Take your shoes off. So,
So look, first things first. They're full-size doors. Perfect. There's no worries here. Just in case.
okay, what do we got here?
Got a giant ass shoehorn.
Shoehorn. It's kind of cute. I was like, I thought when I first picked this up earlier, I thought like, you know, how many people have used this, but everything's brand new in here. Right.
Even then, look at that. Yeah, I'm pretty tall. Imagine somebody regular size.
Yeah. All right, so first door.
Alright, let's see.
Door number 1, what is in here? It's just a toilet. A toilet room.
But not just any toilet.
Futuristic Japanese toilet.
Futurist.
Yeah, it's got all these
Oh, it has this thing on
buttons
the
and stuff.
top.
It has this thing on top, and we still
don't know how
have
to
yet
use
to
it.
figure out how to turn such a thing on.
Those buttons are
The buttons,
on Japanese.
there's no like sensor over here. It might just come with a thing like that, you know?
Yeah.
Anyway, yeah, whatever. There's toilet paper. Toilet's a toilet. We ain't worried about that.
What was that?
Behind door number 2.
Dun-dun-dun.
Dun-dun-dun.
Yes. And more of the bathroom. Oh, there's a scale.
We
Yeah.
got a scale. You want to really know how much you weigh,
I
Mario?
do now.
They gave us this. Jennifer was like, you guys can use this. I don't know if you want to, but I was like, okay.
You can use it. Why not? It's part of the room. Oh my god.
Voltage is 125.
So we all good.
So we're good. Well,
So far.
most of our stuff is really good anyway. Here we are with the mirror. It's got a light.
Oh, it's a vanity.
Yeah. She gives toothbrushes, not that we need them. I don't know what these are.
Mask.
Oh,
scrub.
body towels.
Oh, yes. I haven't had a
This,
scrub
of
in a
course, hot, cold. This is also
while. Jesus, you scared me.
pretty traditional. You alright? What
You know,
happened?
you scared me. I didn't know it was pulled out and it made such a loud noise. How'd you pull it out? Yeah.
And there you go, internals of a sink. I don't know what that is.
What is that? Maybe soap?
I can figure it out later if it comes down to it. Anyway, shower. We got some
Settings.
functions, fan settings.
You want it windy in there?
Let's turn the light on. Wow. So it's almost exactly like the one we most previously stayed in, but like newer and nicer.
Yeah. So
This is a single piece bathroom, or like kit bathroom, I guess. I don't know how to explain it. Like, but a lot of the showers here come as
pieces.
like a whole piece that you buy, is what it seems like.
So is it safe to say that the mirror's there so when you sit down?
Huh?
The mirror's there so when you sit down?
Yeah, if you take a bath in that certain way.
I was wondering why.
Yeah.
Just like crotch level.
And there's like, I don't know what this is. Oh shoot, just water jets or something.
Oh,
In the tub, yeah.
Ooh.
Not that any of us take baths, we don't take showers.
Yeah, never know.
Yeah. Alright, so something else I've noticed with every single bathroom we've had.
What?
Is one of these things.
Yeah.
Every single one
That's
has,
exhaust. I mean,
or some sort of like,
the fan?
I think maybe it pops out and you
Oh, it
can
does
install something.
I know for sure it pops out because on the first bathroom we went to, I went like that and it popped right out.
But I think you can install something is what's going on with that.
Maybe an overhead.
Yeah, who knows? Some special thing you can get. Tiny little trash can right there. Hey, this thing is also, there's a drain on this side.
There's a what?
I think you could possibly install a washing machine in
Here,
this.
here.
Yeah, here, because
Yeah.
right there.
Wow.
I don't know how you get a washing machine up here.
I don't know how we got all our luggage up here, but we made it. Alright, last door.
So let's turn that off and close the door. Last door. The main living area. We got that TV. We actually tried it out. It's not connected to anything.
Well, not yet.
I could hook up my computer to it and watch
you
movies.
do. That's HDMI, huh?
Yeah.
Yes.
I can't imagine any TV nowadays not having HDMI. But it does seem to be connected to something. We got that microwave. We haven't used a single microwave, even though we've had them in nearly every place.
Reference.
Yeah.
It's my hand.
That's fine for a lot of things. Let's go buy some popcorn.
Oh yeah, I think we did use a microwave for something.
Refrigerator. It's nice.
Yeah. Didn't know maybe.
We've been using these. Man, they're still.
There's still that blue packing thing.
Yeah.
That's how new it is.
First people to use these. Yeah.
Cupboards up
Yeah.
here.
She's Jennifer, the girl we're renting this from. She's just like, oh, I'll bring you guys like pans and cutlery.
Cutlery, yeah.
And we're just like, we don't really need it.
to.
Don't need it. Yeah, we're good.
Don't stress.
Sink's a sink.
Ooh, that's almost like.
Bright light. We actually had one of these in every place we stayed. Nobody else used it other than yeah.
Stove.
Remote control for our temperature in this room. We got that AC over there in the corner.
What's this again? Oh, is that a video camera for downstairs?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Menu. And yeah, okay.
That's not messing around.
You can call. You can key someone in, I guess.
No shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's really nice. Oh, what the fuck? There's a candle. I didn't realize this.
Oh yeah, I saw this earlier.
What is that? Just a like a oil candle?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. Wow.
These are trash cans. Recycle and non-recycle.
Mm-hmm.
Francis earlier was all like burnable and non-burnable. No.
When did that part?
Just recycle it and other. We got couches here for couching. We can move them around.
You got another balcony?
Yeah. I don't know. Do you see something on the other side of this door right now?
I don't know. Let's check it out. Well, are these even doors?
What is this? What is this? Let's What in the world?
This is obviously a bedroom, and two, I think, twin-size beds, just about. Plenty of futons. I do have to say that this is probably the best Airbnb that I've booked so far, like for the entire trip. If I know that this place was like this good, I probably would have just booked it from the get-go and just would have been done with everything.
Yeah. And Jennifer's really nice.
Yeah, Jennifer is really nice. So I just got a message from her. She's gonna bring us some green tea sets.
Okay.
I guess we can have a green tea ceremony, dude.
It's like she's too nice of a host, man.
I know.
Can we be friends on Facebook?
She's such a sweetheart. Like, so, guys, let's just do our absolute best not to fuck this place up. Not that we fucked up any of the other places, but
Oh yeah.
you know,
There's a face to this room now.
yeah.
Yeah.
But like, there's a definite face, and she's really nice.
Like, as if I didn't have enough reason already to come back to Tokyo, like, you know, someday.
Yeah, like.
Like, I almost feel bad if we came back here and didn't stay here, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Like
every time we come back to Tokyo, we have to stay here, just, you know, for just to.
Yeah. Jared, he kind of feels that way, like, about the Andaz, you know?
Hotel, yeah.
Yeah. Here, man, like, clean, functional. You know, this is the kind of place that. Yeah. Now, I wonder how much a place like this would cost in, like, San Diego.
It's crazy.
Not too much.
Well, if we just got a place and built it on our own, it'd be a lot better, you know?
Because if we have.
Yeah, because, like, look, all this, we could do this.
Yeah.
I could do this. We got a sick closet. Hey, by the way, we got a lint roller.
Oh, we finally got a lint
It
roller.
would have been nice when we had that first place we stayed in that had all the fuzzy things.
I know.
Anyway, we got a balcony out here. Just gonna peek out real quick. Yep. This is what it is.
Let me see.
Well, I'm gonna stand right here on this. Yeah.
Oh my god. Sugoija.
This is wet. I'm going back inside and get new socks.
Okay. Ew. I had a feeling.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
This is going in the laundry.